Hello and welcome. It's your girl Kyla Knox, and I want to say thank you for joining. At this time, you have come this far where you're getting ready to set up your own platform. In setting up your platform, you're looking at my page currently. My page is the dashboard for myself, and it's got my personal information in it, which is fine. But you're going to add your picture here. Just remember, I had a glitch in my first one, but until I actually start working in it, it did correct itself. So you may have a glitch that will work itself out. Up here where my name is, you can hit the profile, my profile, and it will take you to the screen you see now, but this is where you can make all your changes. One of the things you are going to want to do immediately is to do the My Money, which is over here to the left in the drop down, and you want to set up your payment. So I set mine up with PayPal because I already have one as an entrepreneur. It's just been easier for me, even though they say not recommended. My money immediately goes there, so I don't have to worry about waiting on a check or waiting on different things to happen or take place. So if you have any of these other ones, you're more than welcome to do that. But I do want to say welcome, and if you need any help, please reach out and contact me. I look forward to you, and we are the Stand Strong team. If you don't know me, I've been through quite a bit, but I've enjoyed myself through the journey, and I do appreciate Savannah Moore, who is my upline for all of her assistance in getting me this far, and I've already made profit. So I thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you more soon and joining you to the team.